Good morning. Hope you are staying safe and staying indoors. So today our topic is about habitats. We have done this in earlier classes and we're going to review it today, different habitats and the animals that live there. And we will start the next topic inshallah tomorrow after the reviewing of habitats. The learning objective of today's lesson is to be able to compare animals and their habitats. And the success criteria is to describe what a habitat is, to explain why an animal is able to live there, and discuss differences in habitat. I want to know, do you have an idea what an habitat is from your previous lessons in different grades? Do you know what a habitat is? It is a place where plants and animals find everything they need to live together: food, water, oxygen, shelter and space. Different plants and animals are found in different habitats. Some of the animals, they live in same habitats also, but with little changes. Today you're going to be learning about many habitats, and one of them is a polar region. The polar region are the regions according to the picture in the North Pole and the South Pole. They are called as the Arctic and the Antarctic. Even in summers, their topmost layer is frozen, and this top layer is called as tundra, and only a small plants can grow there. Their roots cannot survive the frozen ground down. Most of the common animals that you find in the polar regions are the polar bear, walruses and seals, and penguins. And you can see next to the polar bear is very small vegetation. That means very less amount of plants. So there are hardly any plants there in the polar region. The next topic region is oceans, ocean habitat. Ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface, and they are warm and cold oceans. There are Pacific oceans, there is a Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and in these oceans there are 27,000 species of fishes. Some are very small and some are very large. One of the largest mammals in the world, that is a big blue whale, is found in the oceans. And some small microscopic plants called as plankton are also found in the oceans. You will be seeing there are some animals which live on the surface of the ocean, like the fishes. You can find some of them on the surface, some of them below the surface, and some of them right on the ground. The animals that you find on the ground are lobsters, crabs, prawns, and starfishes.
The ocean, an underwater habitat. From freezing seas with icebergs to waters as warm as a bath, the ocean is home to the greatest diversity of life on Earth. Take a deep breath. We're going in. Sea creatures look very different from land animals. Different body shapes, different features. They move through water much thicker than air. Animals have lived here for millions of years, developing special adaptations to thrive in an underwater world. For breathing and swimming. Food is all around. You might not see it, but in just 1 teaspoon of ocean, there are thousands of minute plants, tiny eggs and larvae. Like seeds waiting for spring, they gradually grow.
Thanks for watching. Please log into your Discovery Education Espresso service
There are many animals found in the sea. Some you saw in the video and some I'm showing it to you now. Sharks, starfishes, you can see the starfishes moving, other fishes also. Deserts cover 1/5 of the earth. Not all the deserts are hot. Deserts are found in South America, they are found in Africa, they are found in Asia and Australia. One desert is there in Asia. Can you think of it? That is not hot, it's actually cold. Think, maybe I'll tell you by the end of the slide show what the desert's name is. So the deserts are basically having very less rainfall. So the animals and plants that live there have adaptations, they have changes in their bodies that allow them to drink less amount of water and survive for longer time. Some of the animals found in the deserts are scorpions, lizards, camels. There are rats also, there are other hyenas also, there is Arabian oryx also, there are many other animals. Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are homes to gigantic trees, colorful birds, millions of bright insects, and a variety of fascinating mammals. Tropical rainforest is found in South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Australia. This region is called as rainforest. This habitat is called as rainforest. Why? Because it rains there every day. There are many different types of animals and plants. The majority of different types of plants that you find, maximum are found in tropical rainforest. There are tree-living lizards, there are chameleons, there are snakes, and you'll be seeing a video now, again from your additional resources, to show you how different animals are there.
Where in the world is this habitat? The trees are taller than tall. It's ablaze with colour. It's hot, humid, and it rains. A lot. It is home to half of the plant and animal species on Earth. From teeny-weeny insects to huge, hungry predators. There is no place like it. Cats swim, plants climb. Snakes the length of 6 humans slither in the branches of trees. It is a rainforest.
So they found many animals of tropical rainforest. Do you see how colorful they are? Grasslands. Now grasslands are actually places, it's a habitat where rainfall is not enough to make a forest, but not less enough to make a desert. So it's in between. And it's found in South America, North America, Asia, Africa, Australia. And there are few trees due to the lack of rain and poor soil. And grasslands are places where very special plants can keep on growing no matter how much they are nibbled. That means eaten by the animals. Some of the animals that you find here are, they are zebra, they are lions, they are elephants. You can see how the plants are there. But not all the animals here are eating plants. There are animals like lions and tigers and hyenas that eat on other animals. And there are animals like rhinoceros, there are animals like buffaloes, there are animals like many giraffes that eat trees and other plants. So many animals are found in grassland. But not all the animals that are found in one country are found in the others. For example, elephant you don't find in South America or in North America. You find them in Asia and you find them in Africa. Mountains. The mountains are the most difficult habitat to live in because it's very cold. It's found in North America, it's found in South America, it's found in Africa, in Asia, in Australia, and sometimes even the plants and animals that live there are such that grow there with a lot of difficulties. Animals that go and eat such plants, they have special hooves, that means special feet to help them to walk there. And mammals who live there, they have special thick woolly fur. And such mountains also have big beautiful birds living there like falcons. I'll show them to you. In the end, I hope you like the PowerPoint. Now I want you to think and tell me which animal lives where and why. There are 3 pictures. One is of a chameleon, a lizard. One is of a deer or a gazelle, you can say. And the third one is of an okra, or in simple terms, a killer whale. Now where does these animals live? The first one has thick skin to stop moisture loss, has wide feet to spread out weight, and it's a very fast runner. The second one, the gazelle, it's a herbivore, that means it eats only plants. It lives in large herds and it is light brown in color. The third one is a predator, that means it eats other animals and it lives together in many fishes. After you finish your work, complete your work, take a picture of it, go to your Horizon account, then on communicate, and then attach your work photo and write your name and send it to me. The most important thing is to write your name and class. Second of all, I want you to do is that I've sent you some links, additional resources, and these are some of them I have also attached in the PowerPoint presentation. Have a look at the additional resources, click them, copy them, and then paste them on Google account. It's going to help you to understand the chapter better, as we always do in the class. So have a look at those videos and take care of yourself and be safe. Have a nice day. See you soon.